Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Motorola Moto G56 to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then confirm at the bottom. Continue and allow in first pop-up. Now allow all in the second one. Following that, tap on whatever you want to in all the other ones. When you finished, hit send at the bottom left corner of Motorola and receive right next to send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Motorola, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files you wish to send. I will go with only a few, just for example. In the last two categories, contacts and files, you need to hit allow a few more times to access them. When you finished, hit send next to selected at the bottom. Okay, in this pop-up, if you decided to transfer any apps, and got it in here's some deep one. Now you need to connect your device using one of those methods. If you want to scan the QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide on an Android. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before they expire. And hit Receive button to connect. Then wait. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!